Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add tracking category in Xero. Tracking categories help you slice your numbers by things like department, location, or project, so you can run more insightful reports without creating a tangle of extra accounts. Think of them as labels you'll later apply to invoices, bills, and bank transactions to see how each area of your business is performing. Start on the Xero homepage after you sign in. This is your main dashboard where you'll see bank balances, invoices, and quick links. At the very top of the screen, look for the main navigation bar. Find the accounting menu there. It can sometimes be easy to overlook if you're focused on the dashboard tiles, so take a moment to scan the header area. Click Accounting to open the drop-down. From that list, choose Accounting Settings. This takes you to the area where you control your organization's financial setup, things like your chart of accounts, tax rates, and the feature we need today. On the Settings page, locate Tracking Categories. Click Image to open the dedicated screen for creating and managing these labels. If you don't see this option, you may need the appropriate permission in Xero. In that case, check with the person who manages your organization's settings. Next, click Add Tracking Category. You're creating the category itself here, the high-level label under which you'll later create specific options. In the name field, type something short and descriptive. Good examples include department, region, or project. Keep the name singular and consistent with how your team talks about the business because you'll see this label across forms and reports. Now, click the highlighted area on the screen to confirm your entry and move forward. This simply follows the on-screen prompt and ensures your cursor is in the right place before you finalize the change. When you're ready, click Save. Xero will create the tracking category and return you to the list. From here, you can come back anytime to refine the setup, adding options under this category, archiving ones you no longer use, or adjusting names for clarity. Clear naming is key. For example, under a category called Department, options might be Sales, Marketing, and Operations. Consistency will make your reporting cleaner and faster to read. A quick tip before we wrap up. Once your category exists, you'll see it as a field on invoices, bills, spend money, and receive money screens. Apply it as you enter transactions so your reports reflect the right breakdown from day one. And if you're building management reports, remember that tracking categories can be filtered to compare performance across the options you create. That's it. Your tracking category is now set up and ready to use.